I'm Rishi Bihani and I study at CodingZen. I'm currently learning HTML, CSS and a bit of a JavaScript.
My name is Ishan and I study in class 6. In the CodingZen, I learn many things like Scratch, 3D printing and Android making app. So I made many games like info hunting, flower generation, etc.
My name is Parisa and I study in Sardar Patel Vidyalaya. My name is Ravanya. We are doing CodingZen.
And I'm in step-by-step school in Noida. I've come to CodingZen and actually I'm doing the course of HTML and CSS, and CodingZen has helped me a lot.
CodingZen has helped me in learning Scratch and HTML. I wanted to learn iOS app development, which actually CodingZen teaches. The classes were so interactive that I told my mom that I have to come now.
My name is Shruti Kakkar. I'm in grade 9 in Springdale School, Dholakwa. I really like CodingZen as it's increased the perimeter of my learning, and it's been a lot of fun doing the app inventor course. I thank CodingZen for this opportunity.
Vanshaj and I am from Step by Step School Noida. I have come here to CodingZen. I have learned SketchUp, Scratch too, and thank you CodingZen for making me know more about computers.
Hi, I'm Shoaib Chaudhary and I'm in Step by Step School. I study today. I joined CodingZen about 8 to 10 months ago, and since then I've learned a lot of coding. I've got a reputation in school because of this, and people expect me to finish all the computer work first. Thank you.
Coding is about being creative and expressive.
To bring ideas into reality. Coding is also understood to be collaborative.
It helps children come together and transform their thinking into translating them into ideas that work.
CodingZen brings it all: collaboration, creativity, innovation to our students, bring it back to the society.
CodingZen brings you way more than just writing a code. It nurtures your child's creativity and helps them grow a stronger, confident and a happier life.
That's how we make our children learn so much. Thank you.